In this video, we listed the 5 best printers under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson ET2800 White is an innovative inkjet printer designed to provide efficient, cost-effective, and high-quality printing. Featuring cartridge-free printing with high-capacity refillable ink tanks, it eliminates the need for traditional ink cartridges, reducing waste and saving up to 90% on replacement ink costs. With Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles, refilling is easy and mess-free. The printer offers a maximum color print speed of 5 ppm and monochrome speed of 10 ppm, delivering impressive print quality with its micro-piezo heat-free technology, suitable for sharp text and vibrant color photos on various paper types. It includes a built-in high-resolution flatbed scanner and copier, along with a user-friendly color display for seamless navigation. With up to 2 years of ink included in the box and each replacement set, users can enjoy stress-free printing with fewer interruptions. The ET2800 is designed for reliability, offering a 2-year limited warranty with registration and contributing to environmental sustainability by reducing cartridge waste. This lightweight, 8.8 pounds, printer also supports mobile printing and wireless connectivity, making it a versatile choice for home or office use. Number 2. HP DeskJet 2755E. The HP 2755E is a wireless inkjet printer designed for home use, offering essential features such as printing, copying, and scanning in color. It is ENERGY STAR certified and supports mobile and wireless printing through dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and a USB 2.0 port for connectivity. With print speeds of up to 5.5 pages per minute in color and 7.5 pages per minute in black, it is ideal for basic color documents like recipes and forms. The printer includes HP Plus Smart features, which provide advanced mobile printing, security, and automatic updates when activated during setup. Additionally, it comes with 3 months of HP's Instant Ink service, allowing users to print up to 700 pages per month with ink delivered as needed. The HP Smart app simplifies setup and enables users to print, scan, and copy documents from their phones. However, the printer only works with original HP cartridges equipped with HP chips or circuitry, ensuring compatibility through periodic firmware updates. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2850. The Epson ET2850 is a modern, efficient inkjet printer designed for high-quality and cost-effective printing. Featuring innovative cartridge-free printing with refillable ink tanks, it offers significant savings on replacement ink, with each ink bottle set equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. With up to 2 years of ink included in the box, this printer reduces the frustration of running out of ink and helps minimize cartridge waste, making it environmentally friendly. It delivers sharp text and vibrant color prints using Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology and pigment black ink. The printer also includes a built-in scanner and copier, auto 2-sided printing, and a high-resolution flatbed scanner. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi, USB, voice-activated printing, and compatibility with the Epson Smart Panel app for smart device integration. Compact and versatile, the ET2850 is ideal for home or office use, ensuring impressive print quality and user convenience. Number 4. Canon MegaTank G3270. The Canon Pixmer G3270BK is a versatile wireless 3-in-1 inkjet printer that offers printing, copying, and scanning functionalities. It features integrated ink tanks capable of printing up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages, ensuring cost efficiency and convenience. With a maximum print speed of 11 ppm for monochrome and 6 ppm for color, it is suitable for both personal and small office use. The printer includes a 100-sheet rear tray and supports single-sided printing. It is compatible with mobile devices through the Canon Print app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print service. The 1.35-inch square LCD screen provides an intuitive user interface, while their keyed nozzle design ensures correct ink tank refilling. Energy Star and EPEAT Silver certifications highlight its energy efficiency. The printer comes in a sleek black design and includes a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is a versatile and reliable wireless inkjet printer designed for office use, offering professional quality color printing with speeds of up to 18 ppm for color and 22 ppm for black. It features upgraded capabilities such as fast color printing, copying, faxing, auto two-sided printing and scanning, an auto document feeder, and a 250-sheet input tray. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity, it also supports the HP app for easy printing, scanning, copying, and faxing directly from your smartphone. The printer includes a 2.7-inch touchscreen for intuitive navigation and comes with built-in HP Wolf Pro security to protect your data and networks from cyber threats. Additionally, it includes a 3-month subscription to the Instant Ink Delivery service, helping you save on ink costs. With a sustainable design made from over 40% recycled plastic, the OfficeJet Pro 9125E is perfect for creating presentations, brochures, and flyers while supporting eco-friendly practices.